the black hole merger. Do you know? The black hole mergers are fascinating astronomical events that occur when two black holes come together due to the emission of gravitational waves. Here are some unique features of black hole mergers. Before going into details, kindly subscribe our channel so you don't miss these interesting factual videos. Gravitational wave emission. One of the most distinctive features of black hole mergers is the emission of gravitational waves. As the black holes spiral towards each other and eventually merge, they create ripples in spacetime that propagate outward as gravitational waves. These waves were first directly detected by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, in 2015, marking a significant breakthrough in astrophysics. Formation of a new black hole. The end result of a black hole merger is the formation of a single, more massive black hole. The mass of the newly formed black hole is slightly less than the sum of the masses of the original black holes due to the energy radiated away as gravitational waves. This process helps astronomers understand the dynamics of black hole growth and evolution. Observable impact on surrounding space. While black holes themselves are invisible, the mergers can have observable effects on surrounding matter. For instance, if there is matter in the vicinity of the merging black holes, it can be accelerated and heated, leading to the emission of various forms of radiation, such as X-rays. Studying these secondary effects provides additional insights into the environment around black holes. Formation in binary systems. Black hole mergers typically occur in binary systems, where two black holes orbit each other. The system may evolve through different phases, such as the collapse of massive stars, resulting in the formation of binary black holes. The study of these systems provides valuable information about the stellar evolution leading to the creation of black hole binaries. The study of black hole mergers continues to be a cutting-edge field in astrophysics, contributing to our understanding of the fundamental nature of space, time, and gravity. Thanks for watching. To learn more, just visit and subscribe our YouTube channel. Link in description.